Welcome to the top best. The best Uncrossing Soap is probably one of the most sought-after spiritual cleansing tools available today, designed to help individuals break free from negative energies, hexes, curses, and bad luck that may be hindering their progress and well-being, offering a powerful way to reset one's energetic field and invite positive influences back into their lives. Number 5. iHeart Nature Organic Fungal Neem Soap Bar, 2-pack. Discover the gentle cleansing power of nature with our organic Neem Soap Bar. It's crafted to leave your skin feeling refreshed and pure. This herbal bar is designed to cleanse while providing essential moisture. Enjoy a creamy lather that hydrates and cares for your skin. Effectively manage body odor with the natural properties of neem. It offers a long-lasting freshness throughout your day. Formulated for sensitive skin, this soap provides gentle care, making it a soothing option for those dealing with eczema. Each bar offers a rich, creamy lather that lasts. Experience a luxurious and effective cleansing ritual every time you use it. Infused with organic ingredients, it promotes healthy skin hydration. Treat your skin to the nourishment it deserves. What we like. This soap bar is crafted with organic fungal neem, offering a natural solution for skin concerns. It's designed to cleanse and moisturize, leaving your skin feeling hydrated. If you're dealing with eczema or looking for a gentle, long-lasting body wash, this is a great choice. What people say. The scent is pleasant and not overpowering. It lathers well and rinses clean, leaving skin feeling soft. The packaging is attractive and makes it a nice gift option. Number 4. Spellbreaker Herbal Bath Salts. Introducing Spellbreaker Herbal Bath Salts, your essential companion for spiritual cleansing. This 8-ounce jar is crafted to aid in purification and banishing rituals. Harness the power of natural herbs for deep purification. Use it to cleanse your spirit and energy field effectively. Perfect for banishing unwanted energies or influences. Its potent blend supports your ritualistic practices with ease. Designed for practitioners of hoodoo, voodoo, conjure, and Wicca. Enhance your spell work and connect with ancient traditions. Experience the benefits of a carefully selected herbal blend. It's made with natural ingredients to support your spiritual journey. Each jar contains 8 ounces of potent bath salts. This generous size ensures you have enough for multiple powerful rituals. What we like. These bath salts are specifically formulated for purification and spiritual cleansing rituals. They are ideal for banishing negative energies and are a staple for hoodoo, voodoo, and Wiccan practices. If you're seeking to perform powerful spiritual cleansing or banishing rituals, these salts will be an essential addition to your practice. What people say. This soap is amazing and it really works. I love this soap, it smells great and it is very effective. I have been using this soap for a while now and I can tell you that it is worth every penny. Number 3. Art of the Root 9-ounce Soy Herbal Spell Candle. Banish hexes, curses, and negativity with our Uncrossing candle. It's perfect for purification rituals and spiritual practices. Crafted with natural soy wax, this candle is designed for any ritual work. It effectively addresses crossed conditions and jinxes. Experience the potent blend of hyssop, peppermint, patchouli, and myrrh. It's also infused with a variety of other herbs and essential oils. This candle comes in a substantial 9-ounce container, providing ample burn time for your spiritual needs. Each candle is handmade daily in the USA in small batches. We use artisan-made ingredients, including herbs, essential oils, and botanicals. Ideal for hoodoo, Wiccan, and pagan traditions, this candle supports your conjure magic practices. What we like. This candle is designed for uncrossing rituals, targeting hexes, curses, and jinxes. It's made with natural soy wax and infused with a blend of powerful herbs and essential oils. If you are looking to break free from negative energies or cross conditions, this candle provides a focused and potent tool for purification. What people say. The soap has a pleasant scent and lathers well, making it enjoyable to use. It effectively cleanses the skin without stripping natural oils, leaving it feeling soft and moisturized. The packaging is attractive and eco-friendly, which is a nice bonus. Number 2. Art of the Root Purification 3 Spell Ritual Kit. This kit is designed for purification, banishing, and cleansing rituals. It's perfect for various spiritual practices. Inside, you'll find 3 anointing oils, a sage smudge, and a purification herbal blend. It also includes chime candles, purification salts, and powdered eggshell. We've included 3 distinct spells with easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions. You'll be guided through each ritual with confidence. Each product is handmade daily in the USA in small batches. We use only the finest herbs, essential oils, and hand-selected botanicals. Experience the difference of artisan-made tools for your magical practice. They are crafted with care and intention. What we like. This kit provides a comprehensive solution for cleansing, purifying, and banishing rituals. It includes anointing oils, a sage smudge, herbal blends, chime candles, and more, along with step-by-step instructions for 3 spells. If you are new to ritual work or want a convenient all-in-one package for purification and banishing, this kit is perfect for you. What people say. This soap is amazing. It really works to uncross you and remove negative energy. I love the scent of this soap. It's very refreshing and invigorating. The lather is rich and creamy, and it leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. Number 1. Art of the Root Dragon's Blood Soap Bar. Discover the power of ancient traditions with our handcrafted soap bar. Infused with potent ingredients, it's designed to elevate your spiritual practice. Each bar is meticulously handmade, ensuring the highest quality and intention. We use only the finest shea butter and essential oils for a luxurious cleanse. Experience the unique properties of dragon's blood. This potent ingredient is known for its ability to enhance rituals and bring forth desired energies. Whether you seek love, power, or protection, this versatile cleanser is your ally. It's perfect for a wide range of purification and magical workings. Crafted with the modern practitioner in mind, it aligns with Wiccan, pagan, and other magical paths. Deepen your connection to the divine with every use. More than just soap, it's an invitation to a ritual. Let its herbal essence purify your body and spirit, preparing you for powerful manifestations. What we like. This handmade soap bar is infused with dragon's blood and enriched with shea butter for a luxurious cleanse. It's suitable for various ritualistic purposes, including love, power, purification, and protection. If you're seeking a soap that not only cleanses your body but also aids in rituals for protection and enhancing personal power, this is an excellent option. What people say. This soap is amazing. It really works and I can feel the difference. I love the scent of this soap. It's very refreshing and invigorating. The lather is rich and creamy, and it leaves my skin feeling soft and smooth. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.